Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by eliminating software causes. Update iOS and make a full backup so nothing is lost. Once done, enable Assistive Touch and test haptics in Settings, Sounds, and Haptics. This quickly tells you if the Taptic engine responds. Make sure you have the right tools: pentalobe and Y000 tri-point drivers, suction cup, plastic picks, and an ESD strap, because you'll open the phone next. Don't waste time on unrelated checks. Begin with Update, Backup, and the haptic test now. You'll power the phone off and remove the 2 pentalobe screws. Use a suction cup and plastic picks to gently separate the display from the frame. Once you have the display open, disconnect the battery immediately to avoid shorts. Next, remove the small brackets covering the home button flex and Taptic engine. Work methodically and note screw sizes. Inspect the flex cable and connectors for corrosion, bent pins, or splits. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush before testing. You'll reconnect the battery and reseat each connector carefully, then power the device on just enough to test haptic feedback before sealing the display. This saves time if a connector is still loose. Once confirmed, reassemble in reverse order, ensuring screws are snug but not over-torqued and cables aren't pinched. If vibration remains absent after careful inspection and testing, replace the Taptic engine or home button module. Make sure you understand replacing the home button voids Touch ID, which is the key troubleshooting trade-off if hardware replacement is required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.